Here I've got KRUGER MATZ Move 8 Mini, and let me show you how to activate and use boot mode on the following device. So at first let's switch off your phone by tapping on power key and then select power off. Once your device is switched off, simply tap on power key and volume down key and hold both keys all together until you see the boot mode. Here it is. So now you can navigate by using volume up key, and for selection use volume down key. So here you can enter recovery mode, fast boot mode, or go back to the normal mode, to the standard one. And that's basically all. Once you want to go back to the normal mode, simply select normal, click on volume down key to select, and wait a few seconds until you are back in the standard mode. And this is it. As you can see, now we are back in the standard mode, so you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.